Happy Halloween, Moonies! I'm here with you today to do an unboxing for the Ocean Bomb uh, Sparkling Waters? Uh, yeah, let's get to it. So I'm going to put all this information below, but the Sailor Moon Fan Network is really on it right now, where just telling you actually where around the world you can buy some of these items. So they had just made an announcement, I think it was on this past Wednesday, and that there is an online Asian grocery store that is carrying the Sailor Moon sodas. I don't know, sparkling water, well, however you want to call them. And so there's actually a few locations that I could have gone to in Brooklyn, New York, but I live in Queens, so a little far. But anyways, this retailer called justasianfood.com ships, I think, across the United States. Their logo's super cute there. And there were two shipping options. One that was $8.99 and one was like $20. The $8.99 was, I think it arrives in 3 to 5 days. And I'm not really sure, usually I think things ship, the cost is via weight, but I placed, at first I was like, oh, maybe I'll just get 4 cans, and then I was like, well, let's bump that up a little bit, and then I got 6 cans. The shipping price was the same. And I don't know, and from the looks of it, this box is huge for like 6 cans. Oh my gosh, I probably should have bought more. There was a limit of 12. You could only buy 12 cans of each type, I believe. So there is that limit. I was a little leery because I've actually never tried this brand before. And yeah. So, okay, let's get to it. Like I was saying, I placed this order for, I think, on Wednesday, and it is now Saturday. This shipped, actually, I think this shipped via FedEx, that's quite nice. I'm trying to think, let's see, it doesn't really say how much I paid for each can, but I think I paid about like $2.99 for each can. Okay. The Chibi Moon. And then Sailor Moon. Kind of want them to do like all of the Guardians now, but I don't know. We'll see. I went to New York Comic Con recently, and they did have several retailers had the Dragon Ball Z sodas, and I was just really ticked because they didn't have the Sailor Moon ones. I don't know. Maybe they're a little bit of slow go with all the supply chain issues. Maybe there was, I think they're a bit slow on that. Because I think officially it came out a few months ago. So we've been waiting because I guess this particular company does, ship worldwide. So anytime when a worldwide company gets the Sailor Moon license, is exciting. Oh, this is secure. Can't really see them. I need to. No, it's a little high there. All right. So anyway, well, let's take a look at the Sailor Moon one. Let's see. It says Ocean Bomb at the top. What's interesting to me is the artwork is from season 3 of Sailor Moon Crystal, which is really kind of interesting because I thought we would get just an influx of Sailor Moon Eternal artwork, but I wonder if the licenses are a bit different. So maybe that's why we're still getting a lot of the Sailor Moon Crystal 3 artwork. Anyway, it's a very cute artwork. I do love, it has like a moon, some roses, and this is pomelo flavor. I'll have to go do some research about what pomelo flavor is. Okay, let's see. Pomelo is the largest citrus fruit from the family of, I have no idea, the principal ancestor of the grapefruit. That's very interesting. And let's see, here's some pictures. Interesting. Let's see what else. Okay, so it says sparkling water, pomelo flavor, carbonated. Carbonated water, 99%, then corn syrup, boo. Sugar, boo. Pomelo flavor, citric acid. Product of Taiwan. What else? Oh, we have the Toei sticker on this and Toei logo on it. That's fascinating. And let's see what else for the nutrition here. There's sodium, 1% of your daily value, 9% of your carbohydrate daily value. It looks like there's 23 grams of sugar in here, and that's a lot, because I think you're only supposed to have 25 grams per day. Let's see, the calories are 90 calories. And obviously that is like about half as less than a can of Coke. So that's progress. Serving size is 1 container. Oh, look there's Luna. So cute. Maybe you have the star, or not the star, the heart, spiral heart moon wand right there. I'm trying to think of, I don't know if it's easy to take off the sticker. Oh, it just says, Sailor Moon Crystal Season 3 on it. It's just, I think, in Chinese. But it does say on here, Naoko Takeuchi, PNP, Kodansha Toei Animation. Fascinating. Okay, all right, let's do this. It's okay. I'm trying to think of like it's not too sweet. When I was reading about the flavor, I was thinking, oh, it's gonna taste like grapefruit. I wouldn't say it really tastes like grapefruit. I'm not a huge fan of grapefruit flavor. Also, I was just kind of wondering, like, oh, if I drink this warm, is it gonna taste any good? But the cans kind of actually feel a bit cool. Like, obviously they're not freezing or anything, but no, not bad. I mean, I would say like compared to other sparkling water I get, they have like 0 calories. So I don't know if I would necessarily like drink this on the regular, since like it's 90 calories. Sailor Moon says, don't drink your calories. Also, too, like, I think you have to be careful with sugar is, sometimes, like, if something's too sweet, it kind of gives me a headache, stuff like that. So it'd be interesting how I feel about this, like, later. But so far, so good. I think, like, ultimately, it's not too different than kind of like your average sparkling water. I know for the longest time, like, I was really against sparkling water, but I do think you really have to find a brand that you like. A lot of them can just, I don't know, they taste really different, which is strange because it's just sparkling water, but I really do think you need to find a brand you like. So I would definitely, if I was like at a convention and I saw this, I would definitely like drink this for my lunch or something. Okay. Well, pomelo. That's the first time I've ever had pomelo flavor, at least to my knowledge. So That's pretty good. All right, let's do Chibi Moon, which I was actually really excited about. Lychee flavor or lychee. I don't know how do you pronounce that correctly. I'm not sure. But I really like that flavor. I started when I was in college. My friend suggested that I get bubble tea with honeydew melon, and then for the bubbles or your add-on to get the lychee jellies. And I was like, okay, I'll try it. Oh my god, so good! I loved it. And then later, when I went to Singapore, I went to this market, outdoor market, and I didn't know what to get. You know, there was a lot of different things there that I was unfamiliar with, but they had a lychee drink there. So I was like, oh, I know that. I like that. I'm going to go get it. And what was so funny about it is, like, they actually put lychees in the drink, like, full-blown lychees. And it was, like, the first time I had ever seen a lychee, like in person or, like, an actual one. And I started, like, taking photos of it. And I think these ladies sitting next to me were like, what is she doing? You know? But I don't know, for anyone out there who's never had lychee before, it kind of has the consistency of, like, a grape. And I just think the taste is very, it also kind of looks like a big grape, kind of, sort of, but it has kind of like a inside area where maybe there's a pit, I guess. I think it's a really light, refreshing taste, and, yeah. All right, there we have the artwork of Sailor Chibi Moon. It is the same amount of calories, kind of same nutrition profile as the Sailor Moon soda. Notice. Oh, there's Luna P, and then there's the heart one. Nice. Lychee flavor. Cool. I also kind of like the spelled flavor with a U. Very British. I guess I'm gonna, have to put in the notes below after I've had these, like, super cold, see if I still like it, or, how I feel about these in, like, a few hours. But so far, so good. Okay. All right. Definitely tastes like lychee. I kind of feel like definitely, like, I probably prefer this one just because I really like lychee, and it definitely tastes like that. I would say maybe the flavor for the lychee is a bit stronger than the pomelo. Yeah, but I can definitely see myself. I don't know what kind of, whenever, like, I drink lychee, I think of just, like, Asian food in general. So, like, I could see myself, like, it would be great if, like, I was having, like, Thai food and then having, like, a lychee drink like this or something. But no, oh my gosh. I don't know. I'm trying to think of, like, what my recommendation is. I definitely think you should try them. Even, I don't know, just try something new. I think if you see them, like, you go to, like, a local, even a local restaurant, maybe. Like, I don't know if they would have it at a local restaurant, but definitely if you see it at a convention, I would definitely grab one. And if you just want something, just for fun, this is, like, when do you have, like, pink, like, sodas? Really? Yeah, and I like, hope they come out with more. Like, that would be fantastic. I guess we'll see how this all goes. So, yeah, I think you should definitely check these out. And, I don't know, let me know what you think. All right, talk to you later. Bye.